Hi guys, welcome back to AKitchenAdvisor channel. As always, we share with you the best recipes for busy families. Today we are making cheese muffins. They're easy and fast to make. Kids and adults love it. Grate the cheese. The larger grater works well for softer cheeses like mozzarella. That's exactly what we're using for this recipe. Transfer the cheese to a larger bowl. Crack the eggs, add sour cream, sunflower oil and salt. Mix in baking powder into the flour. Sieve the mixture and whisk in with all the ingredients in the bowl. The final touch will be adding the fresh chopped dill to the dough. Now it's time to brush the silicone forms with olive or sunflower oil. Place the dough into the forms. You will get 12 servings. Preheat the oven to 390 Fahrenheit. Bake the cheese muffins for 20-25 minutes or until they turn golden brown. I hope you found this recipe useful. Don't forget to press the like button. If you're new at our channel, consider subscribing so you won't miss any of the best recipes for busy families. Also, check our website AKitchenAdvisor.com for more yummy and easy recipes.